Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video today giving you first-hand walkthrough of Google Analytics 4 GA4 and showing you how to measure incoming traffic from AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and others into your website. This is a super important step in crafting your strategy and getting more traffic from LLMs, setting up a baseline and measuring the impact of that traffic. As always, if you like this channel, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. So let's get into this. Hey guys, so right now I'm in my GA4 instance, Google Analytics 4, and I'm going to quickly show you how you can create your very own traffic acquisition report that is solely going to measure and evaluate only GenAI platforms that bring incoming traffic to your website. First, we are going to go to library, find our traffic acquisition report. Here it is. And we are going to duplicate it so we can tweak this and filter it based on LLM platforms. So click, make a copy. We are going to call it AI traffic acquisition. The AI traffic acquisition report or users are coming from start of visits from LLM platforms. We're gonna hit save and make a copy of it. Boom, we're done. And we are going to get into this report. Let's just go to dimensions, session source. And we are going to create a filter. Session source. Match type, we are going to pick regex. And now we basically need to punch in the regex values in order to filter solely for LLM platforms. Luckily, we can really expedite this step by going to our favorite AI platform and ask it to create a regex value for us. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to create something similar to this. My prompt is basically, hey, I'm working on creating a GA4 report to show traffic source to fail from AI platforms. I used the traffic acquisition report, cloned it, filtered the report based only off GenAI platforms using a regex match type. And then I'm asking, can you create a comprehensive list of AI platforms that could be relevant? Here's what I have so far. And I just listed ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, etc. To this, I got an incredible list of all the current known chatbot and assistants, AI summary tools, AI browser, aggregators, marketplaces, etc. And here is the regex version to save us some time. Copy to analytics, paste, and we are just going to click apply. And boom, here we have not a whole bunch of traffic, by the way, but a breakdown of incoming traffic to our website from LLM platforms. In this case, we have ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and Perplexity. And we are going to save the report, save changes to current report. Great. And we saved it. Now, the last step of this, actually, if you want to share it with your clients, your different stakeholders within your company, is just putting it under lifecycle and acquisition, so other folks can easily find it and use the report, basically. It's a great baseline to evaluate your GenAI optimization efforts. And to do that, we are going to lifecycle, edit. Here we have the whole lifecycle, basically library of reports. We are going to search for AI because this is how we named our report, and we are going to drag it under user here, under traffic acquisition. And we are going to hit save changes to current collection, and boom, we are ready. And now all of the different users of this GA4 instance can easily access the report here under lifecycle acquisition, AI traffic acquisition report, and look at our beautiful report. Now, this is a great opportunity to remind you that you can use such report basically as a baseline and evaluate your efforts if you are doing GenAI optimizations to get your brand into GenAI platforms like we covered on our previous video. So this has been our guide to how to get your GA4 analytics, basically to create a report and show you the amount of incoming traffic from LLMs to your website.